Using point of view to craft mood. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving deep into an intriguing aspect of creative writing: how to use point of view to establish mood. By mastering this skill, you can make your stories much more immersive and evocative. So, let's get started. POV is the perspective from which a story is told. The three main types are: first person. The story is told by the protagonist or a character involved in the events. Words like I, me, and my are prevalent. Second person. The reader is addressed directly using you. This POV is less common but can create a compelling, intimate experience. Third person. The story is told by a narrator outside the story. There are variations here, such as third-person limited and third-person omniscient. Mood refers to the emotional atmosphere of a piece. It's how readers feel when reading. Examples of moods include suspenseful, joyful, mysterious, melancholic, or whimsical. The choice of words, setting, and character actions all play into setting the mood. First person. Since readers are inside the character's head, it's easy to make them feel the character's emotions deeply. For instance, I felt a chill run down my spine, immediately creates a sense of unease. Second person. Directly engaging the reader can make the mood feel personal. You walk into the room. The dim light casting shadows that make your heart race pulls the reader right into the scene. Third person. The distance can offer a broader scope to describe settings or multiple characters' feelings. As dawn broke, the village came alive with chatter and laughter, sets a joyful, bustling mood. 1. Details matter. The details you include or omit play a significant role. For example, in a first-person perspective, mentioning a racing heart or clammy hands can heighten the mood of anxiety. 2. Pace. Adjust the pace of your story to enhance the mood. A rapid succession of events can make the mood tense, while long, detailed descriptions can create a calm, contemplative mood. 3. Dialogue. The way characters interact can greatly influence mood. Consider the difference between snappy, terse exchanges and long, heartfelt conversations. By understanding the power of point of view and the subtleties of mood, you can craft stories that resonate deeply with readers. Remember, every choice you make as a writer affects the world you're creating. Happy writing, and we hope this video has enriched your storytelling toolkit.